Hey, I'm Top 5 Trey, and today we're diving into the DJI Osmo Mobile 7P, a smartphone gimbal that's redefining mobile videography. With its advanced stabilization, native app tracking, and built-in lighting, it's a game changer for content creators. But at $149, is it worth the investment? Let's find out. All the links are in the description below. Scroll down and check them out. And before we go any further, hit that like button and subscribe for real design and build. The Osmo Mobile 7P boasts a sleek, foldable design that's both lightweight and portable. Weighing in at approximately 368 grams, it's easy to carry around for on-the-go shooting. The built-in extension rod and tripod add versatility, allowing for dynamic angles and stable shots. The ergonomic grip ensures comfortable handling during extended use, stabilization, and performance. Equipped with DJI's 7th generation 3-axis stabilization, the Osmo Mobile 7P delivers smooth, shake-free footage. Whether you're walking, running, or capturing fast-paced action, this gimbal keeps your shots steady. The ActiveTrack 7.0 technology ensures precise subject tracking, making it ideal for vlogging, live streaming, and cinematic shots. Multifunctional module. This module allows for native tracking with your phone's camera app or third-party apps, eliminating the need for the DJI Mimo app. It also integrates a fill light with adjustable color temperature, 2,500 to 6,000 Kelvin, and brightness levels, enhancing your footage in various lighting conditions. Additionally, it supports DJI Mic Mini reception, providing high-quality audio capture, battery life, and charging. The Osmo Mobile 7P offers up to 10 hours of battery life on a single charge, ensuring you can shoot throughout the day without interruptions. It also features a USB-C port for charging your smartphone while filming, keeping your devices powered up during extended shoots. User experience and features. Setting up the gimbal is quick and straightforward thanks to its quick launch design. The magnetic phone clamp supports smartphones up to 3.3 inches wide, providing a secure fit. Gesture controls enable hands-free operation, allowing you to start tracking, take photos, and adjust framing with simple hand movements. The DJI Mimo app offers easy tutorials and one-tap editing, making it user-friendly for beginners and professionals alike. Final verdict. So, is the DJI Osmo Mobile 7P worth it? If you're a content creator, vlogger, or mobile filmmaker seeking a compact, feature-rich gimbal, absolutely. Its advanced stabilization, native app tracking, integrated lighting, and long battery life make it a top-tier choice in its category. While it comes at a premium price, the value it offers justifies the investment. If you're ready to elevate your mobile videography game, check out the links below. And if this review helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe. We drop gear reviews every single week. I'm Top 5 Trey, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. And trust me, out of your top 5 decisions, subscribing will definitely be one of them.